Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Eclipse and Git are installed, and you have the correct Java SDK for the project. Open GitHub, pick the repository, and copy its clone URL, SSH if you set up keys, otherwise HTTPS with credentials. In Eclipse, go to File, Import Git Projects from Git, select Clone URI and paste the URL. Once done, choose the branch you need, and proceed to fetch remote refs. This begins transferring the repository into your local workspace. Once the clone completes, you need to import the project into Eclipse properly. Choose the import type that matches the repo. Existing Eclipse projects import directly. Maven or Gradle projects require the corresponding import wizard. After import, fix the Java build path and set the correct JRE system library. Make sure source and resource folders are included. Then run Maven update or Gradle refresh to pull dependencies. If you still see errors, check for missing libraries in a lib folder, and now clean and build the project. Use project clean, then run as Java application or run configurations for tests. This verifies everything works locally. Commit any changes with descriptive messages, pull remote updates first to avoid conflicts, then push to the branch. If something breaks, inspect the Eclipse console and problems view for exact errors. Commonly, it's a Java version mismatch, unresolved Maven/Gradle dependency, or a corrupted class path or POM, XML. If that happens, revert to a working commit, fix the config, and try rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.